I've done this before, you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me.
Girl is back with a new wig install video, and I'm going to show you exactly how I installed and styled this wig today from Hermosa Hair. I want to give them a huge thank you for sponsoring today's video. The highlights of this unit are so bomb. They did the highlights very fine throughout the hair, and it looks so good. It looks very professional. If you are a little scared to try blonde, this is the perfect way to incorporate it into a more natural color. Super cute for vacay. This is a water wave texture, so it looks super bomb when it's wet. You can straighten it, you can curl it, you can do whatever you want with this texture. So I did style it in a side parting today. I did baby hairs because I haven't been doing baby hairs that much lately, and I love doing baby hairs on a water wave wig. I feel like it looks so freaking cute. Also, we have a more natural length. It's 22 inches, perfect for those of you who don't like super long hair. If you want to find out more details on this hair as well as how I installed it today, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like, woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wet tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time, my time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court, me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, hold still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wet tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court, me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job. like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
So here is the hair after I allowed it to air dry. The curls look really nice and fluffy. I did go in with the foaming wrap, but as you can see, it doesn't leave it hard. It leaves very soft yet defined curls. So I highly recommend using a water with leave-in conditioner spray mixture and going in with the Nairobi foaming mousse, because it's gonna give you like the fluffiest defined curls ever. So yeah, here is the final look, y'all. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section down below. Would you rock it? Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up and be sure to check out my last video. I will have the link right here for y'all, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.